Now I'm going to be create another PowerPoint slide about computer types, right? So if I want to be create the slide about computer type, I'm going to go to the new chart and I'm going to be asked to the ChatGPT, write slides about major computer type, right? Major computer types, right? And I'm going to be hit OK button, or I'm going to hit the enter key, and you can see that slide 1 introduction introduce the topic of computer type and their classification. Slide 2 it's about mainframe computers. The slide 3 supercomputers. The slide 4 personal computer. Slide 5 workstations. Slide 6 mobile device. Slide 7 embedded system, and conclusion. And if you want to get more details, you can ask the ChatGPT explain each slide. I want explanation about each slide. So I'm going to type I want more explanation about each slide. I'm going to be hit and it will generate. Here is more details explanation for each slide. So you can see that this is a major point, but here is explanation which is given to the ChatGPT. And supercomputer are higher performance computer design for complex and demanding application such as scientific simulation, weather forecasting, and cryptography, and many things. It's writing. You can see that it's still writing. So if you have any kind of, if you want to create any kind of slide, you can ask the ChatGPT and it will generate, or it will write the slide, and you can paste into PowerPoint. So this is how you can create the PowerPoint slide by using ChatGPT.